Where were we? We were big joke. Oh, Pop! I got it. Now I got it. Eve. Okay, yeah, perfect. Thursday night I was leaving Eve Old Lounge. If anyone knows where it is, good. If you don't, you're fucking up upset. I don't know who cares. Alright, I was leaving Eve Old Lounge. I was drinking. I was drinking a lot. I was coming over the outer bridge, going to Jersey. I was going to Marlboro. I was going to your girlfriend's house, buddy. No. So I was going to Marlboro, and the next thing I see, I see the cops. Whoop, whoop. And now I'm from New York, and I know, but if Jersey cops pull you over, you're fucked. No matter what you think. No. You think you're fucking white? No, I stutter. That means you're drunk. Even if you're not drunk, you stutter, you're drunk. So see, fucking up. Cousin John Smith, you're getting your ass kicked worse than a black person. So I see the lights come on, and I said, shit, I've been drinking all night, and I know I've been drinking because I was dancing with my topless at the club. But I was drinking heavily, and I said, I know I'm going to jail, and it's okay, I got a little money, but I'm gonna fuck with this cop. So then, while I'm driving down Route 9 South, you can't fucking make this shit up. Going down Route 9, I said, I got the Bad Boys soundtrack. I put on the Bad Boys soundtrack. So now,
Bad Boys.
You got it, baby. You got it. So I got it. So I stopped. And of course, the cop was on his light. And in Jersey, you got the pleasure of waiting for the backup car. They don't come out. So I'm here. And I'm like, this fucking guy is making me wait. I'm fucking drunk. What am I gonna do? I'm a comedian. I know what to do. I step over to the passenger seat. And I put my seatbelt on. Now this cop comes over, taps on the window. He's staring at my car like this. He goes, excuse me, sir. Were you driving? Me? Me? Yeah. He goes, were you driving, sir? Not me, officer. I'm too fucked up. But anyway, yeah, well, that was my Jersey. What? I made you choke. If I made you choke and spit out your drink, you should wipe everyone's names off there and put mine in the first. Will you do that? Thank you. So, let's see, we said dating, said El Joao, talked about the mile, we talked about fucking cops that suck. Where can we go with this? Let's see. Oh, okay, let's see, this is alright. Just me and you with one last thing, okay? My ex-girlfriend, I love my ex-girlfriend, I love her fucking to death. I hope they never find her fucking body, but anyway. No, she used to say, it's her right, they dropped the tapes. So she used to say, you never give me a compliment. And I really felt bad because guys overlook the details. And a lot of you married guys don't want you to think about this tonight. My ex-girlfriend was the best at blowjobs. So I decided next time she says that, I'm going to give her a compliment. I said, honey, you're the best cocksucker right now. Alright, that didn't work, but thank God I'm getting out of here. But anyway, thank you for Jersey people. Throw my name in. You're a lucky man. If you want, we're going out to dinner, I'll tell you where it is. Thank you. Stuttering John Smith. Alright, once again, you're going to vote for all four. You have to vote for 4 comics, or your ballot's not going to count. So, we're going to bring everybody up back in order. First comedian, Kelly Sater, everyone. Kelly. For this, you can just put first names. We'll know who it is. Chuck. Bono, everyone. Chuck. Rich. Pinder. Rich. Sam Jamma. Sama. 2 M's. I had to cross this one out.
What's out today?
Who was it? Back here. All right, Max Sussex, who left. Drew.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, Antonio Bernie, that's who it was. Max Oh. And then Stuttering John. All right, so once again, it's Kelly, Chuck, Rich, Sama, John, Antonio, Drew. Vote for your top 4 come around. Please welcome to the stage. He's one of my favorite headliners. You guys are going to love him. Seeing on White Boys in the Hood on HBO. Give it up for Mark DeMeo, everyone. Mark DeMeo.
Hey, what's up, Staten Island?
What up?
How you doing? Woo! Yeah, one more time for all the comedians that you saw tonight. Woo! This is what it's all about. Family and friends coming out, support.